In 2 days from now, from recording, Samsung will present the newest watches, along with the Samsung Ring, probably, and also maybe the Galaxy Watch 7 series. There will also probably be, at least according to rumors, a newer version, which will be the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which might be kind of an analog to the Apple Watch Ultra. And so I am kind of excited actually for the 2 days. Maybe finally blood glucose, for example, it is also at least a little bit rumored that it finally would get on the Galaxy Watch. Now, in addition to this feature, I don't know what will appear on the Galaxy Watch, on the normal series. The Galaxy Watch Pro also has a kind of different form factor, so it looks it has this circular look, but then it also has edges around it, at least from the renders I have seen. Blood glucose monitoring is at this point still very expensive, so it would be very interesting for me, for example, to do this, but I just found that buying these sensors, which then last for 10 days and paying 80 euros for them, would be probably too big of a financial investment for the return on health data I get. So it would be very nice to either get kind of the possibility to have one-time measurements, similar to maybe how you can already measure ECG or blood pressure on the Galaxy Watch 4, and also ECG already on the Garmin, but just being able to measure blood pressure. Also on the Ring, it is rumored that you could measure blood flow, but I don't know exactly what this then would result in terms of the unit or the interpretation of this. Another possibility maybe for the future is that there is already a device that can measure blood pressure continuously, and this would be really interesting. As of now, blood pressure is kind of still similar to resting heart rate. So resting heart rate would be maybe taking ideally in the morning after waking up, and blood pressure is kind of similar. So you usually take resting blood pressure and not blood pressure when working out. But think of pulse. How telling would be pulse if you just have the resting pulse or resting heart rate? Instead, you also want to know how high it goes during a workout, for example, or how also low it goes, if not just for resting heart rate, but also during sleep. And so having something like this in terms of blood pressure, maybe on the Galaxy Watch in the next couple of years, would also be very interesting, I think.